Hey guys, it's Ivana and welcome to Intellecta. In today's video we are continuing with the Lambert W function. So the second example is x to dx equals 1 over 4. Once again we want to have this form x e to dx equals constant. And at the beginning of this equation we have this. We have on the right side we have constant and on the left side we have the variable. And okay, but on the left hand side we have x to dx. We have function to the function or variable to the variable. And what should we do? Every time when you have function to the function, when you have in the base function and in the exponent function as well, the first step you should do, it's logical to do, is to take the logarithm of both sides. So let's do this. ln x to dx equals ln of 1 over 4. And now using the power rule for the logarithm, this x goes to the front and we have x ln x equals ln 1 over 4. Okay. We have something similar to this, but we don't have exactly this here. We don't have e, we need our e, and we have to have the same variable in the base and in the exponent. Okay, what should we do? Please note this x here is the same as e to the ln of x. So here you can cancel this e and this ln and you will get just x. Okay, so let's write this x as e to the ln of x, and let's put this ln of x so here in front. And we have ln of x, e to the ln of x is ln of 1 over 4. Okay, and now at this moment we can use this here, we can apply the w function. And we have w of ln of x e to the ln of x is equal to w of ln 1 over 4. Okay, and we know using this here, if you have the same variables, you will get just the variable. And we have ln of x, that means we will get just ln of x is equal to w of ln 1 over 4. And now let's use the definition of the logarithm. What is the logarithm? The logarithm is nothing else than the power or the exponent to which a base, in this case our e, to which a base must be raised to yield a given number, this x here. So power or the exponent to which a base must be raised to yield a given number, and then we have our x is e to the w of ln of 1 over 4. What is our 1 over 4? It's 4 to the minus 1 or 2 to the minus 2. And if we have x equals e to the w of minus 2, we will bring this in front of the logarithm using the power rule, ln of 2. And we got our x. So we got our x is e to the w of minus 2 ln of 2. Of course, this you can find this value using the Wolfram alpha. So guys, I hope this is clear. If you have some questions, please ask. And in my next video I'm going to do one more example. It will be a little bit harder, and please stay tuned. Till the next video, stay healthy, stay positive, and do some math.